Hi, and welcome back to our spinner build series. In today's episode, we put this awning on this fan. This right here is what you're trying to clear. There are a bunch of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a whole bunch of them. So this fit in the rail fine without trimming it, but it won't make it over these bumps unless you trim it down a little bit. So and as you can see, this is like a perfect fit. It is very solid in there. This plate sits on this rib a little bit, so I put a small piece of closed cell foam in there. So we slid our tab up the track, put on the washer and the lock nut, put the foam in there, and now just bolt it down. You have to kind of put pressure on this as you're bolting, because otherwise the little carriage bolts want to turn underneath. So putting a little tension on it keeps them from spinning. Once you have your brackets mounted to the roof rails, the brackets are just under these plastic caps, and these plastic caps with the lock cores come with the Thule mount kit. There are 4 carriage bolts that come in the kit, and actually there's a whole bunch of carriage bolts come in the kit. I think there's 16, but you'll slide 4 in, 2 in this upper rail, 2 in this lower rail. So you'll have 4 carriage bolts with 4 nylock nuts that come in the kit that will attach the awning to the feet. So that's all really there is to getting the thing onto the roof. It took 2 people, and we slid the carriage bolts in place, lifted it up, and put the nuts on. So you'll notice this is the feet for my solar, and I'm using a total of 3 feet. Now these are designed to be used with only 2 feet, so 2 feet would be fine. But a friend and I decided to split a second kit just to make it even more robust, but I don't think that's necessary. So that's how the whole thing looks once it's mounted up. Now, one thing you need to know about this awning on a Sprinter van is the way that this mechanism works. It needs to be 90 degrees to the handle to release. It has a mechanism that locks the handle, and that's not really possible on these vans. You can see there's an angle less than 90 degrees, so it's possible, and I've had it happen, to get this handle stuck in the receptacle up there. So the quick fix is to take just a little rubber O-ring and put it on the end. Now, I've used this awning probably 3 dozen times, and this is enough to prevent this from seating all the way in the receptacle and having it get stuck. This is really important. You want to make sure you do this. Alright guys, that's what you need to know in order to get a Thule hideaway awning onto a Sprinter van. Thank you guys for watching.